Hi, my name is Srishti Khewal, and today we will learn some basic mandala, some traditional basic mandala. Like, you know what mandala means? Mandala is a Sanskrit word, and mandala means circle. So, what we will do today is just learn how to draw a circle and how to draw a line in a circle so that everything should be in a symmetrical way. You don't have to focus that today within an hour you have to complete it, but what main thing is how to make a symmetry and how you can make a good symmetrical mandala. My main focus is this one. I'll teach you each and every design what is there within my mandala. Just a 4 circle needs 4 to 5 hours to complete a single mandala. So we will learn all the design today. We will draw this thing today. Mandala is a Sanskrit word. So in English, no one know how to pronounce Hindi or Sanskrit word. Like Ganga, someone called Ganges. So it correct word is Mandala because it's a Sanskrit word. Like Shiva, really it's not Shiva, it's Shiv. Because we are using A in English, but in Hindi it's Shiv. Like in Mandala, there are many A between them. That's why they are using Mandala. So Mandala is a correct word in Sanskrit. See, you can see that there are 5 circles here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 means 5 unique design. We will learn 5 unique design today. Take your compass. I'm using this compass because it is easier to draw and it is easy for me to handle it. Just make a 5 circle and each circle should have cover to it like this. Circle 1 has 1 cover. This circle. Each circle should have 1 cover to it. So our design should not be merged with each other. It is a good practice for a beginner if we do design like this. Yeah, take your time to draw all these things. Just simply draw like this. And this thing is most important part of our mandala. Because of this one, we can do symmetry. And take one centimeter for each circle. It's up to you. It's not a hardcore thing. If you want a big mandala, you can draw 2 centimeter. If you want only a small, then you can draw 1. Okay, so second step. This is our second and main step. This is my center point. Put this center point here. This center point. Put this center point to your sheet center point. Make dot like this, like 0, 70, 170, 160, 150. Put a dot like this. It will look something like this. Take the scale with the center and make a line from here to here like this. And then second dot, put this thing here. Basically, each and every dot should be passed from here. So when this particular thing will be clear, you can use your pen to draw that thing here. Don't use pen for this line because we have to rub this thing after completing our drawing. When you complete making all the lines, it will look something like this.